Okay. Now look, come back. Eldest, age 12, 20 to 21. Age 18, 2027, you pass to 12th standard. Then you take a degree. Degree is a 3-year program. 21, 2030, you are a graduate. Then you prepare for the civil service examination, which has 3 stages. A preliminary test, which is called aptitude test. Then a final written test. Then a personality test.
Main section.
Yeah, it takes 2 years. Like suppose preliminary examination starts in the month of October, November. Then next to March, April, final examination. Next to December, your interview, personality test. That means this is an examination having 3 stages, which will over by 2 years. In fact, there are no 2 years. It takes only 1 year. Examination has 3 stages. Suppose a preliminary examination starts in the month of October. That is at the end of the year. Then final written test will be by April, May. Then after 3 months interview, that is called the personality test, it takes place. So that means by May, you will get your result. That means you can be a civil servant of IAS at the age of 22. Elders, look, 22 or 23 maximum. This is the way to set your goal. But when you set your goal, don't think that this is going to be very easy. You have to do certain things. I shall tell you that one by one. Read newspapers, first point. Read newspapers. English and Malayalam every day. You should read English and Malayalam newspapers every day. 1 point. Second point. Read these books, Book of Knowledge. Book of Knowledge. This is the name of a book. Tell me why. Yearbook. You ask your parents to get you these books. It improves your knowledge, vocabulary, language. So very important. You participate in all debate competitions, elocution competitions, reading competitions, and all. Interact effectively with your friends and teachers and cousins and neighbors. Socialization to be maintained. We should keep a pleasant, very cheerful disposition called the personality. So this is very important. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is the way to set your goal. Set goals correctly. It is a long-term goal. What I want to be in life, how can I be? What should I do to reach my goal? These are the things to be discussed under goal setting. Understand? Can you
Yes,
prepare?
sir.
Can you prepare
Yes, sir.
accordingly? Can you prepare your goal? Set your goal accordingly.
Yes.
Now, all of you, with the year, prepare it. All of you, take a book or a paper, then prepare your goal. When you have a doubt, I shall help you out. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is very important. I have set my goal when I was in 9th standard. You all belong to new generation. Therefore, I am giving you a little early. Even children can set their goals when they come to 6th standard. It's so important. Okay? You have to write your age year. Now you are 12 years in 2021. Then you need 5 more years to complete your 12th standard. That is, in 2026, you will pass your 12th standard. This is only in the case of somebody who wants to go for civil service. But who wants to go for some other courses, other examination, you have to check with me. I shall help you. Deviya, is it clear? Yeah. Prepare, then I shall correct it and give you. As and when teachers come and take classes, make sure that you switch on video and audio. Teachers want to see your face. As and when they interact with you, show your whole figures, because teachers want to see you and interact. Face expresses a lot of things. Face shows and tells us a lot of things. Especially in my case, I cannot teach anything until I see the participants' face. Geetika, are you okay? Can you prepare alone? Geetika, your audio is not clear. Audio switch on.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Are you okay to prepare?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When it is over, tell me. Let us see some examples. Okay. Riza Bibin. Riza, switch on camera. Zeba, tell me, what's your ambition?
Sir, my ambition is radiologist.
Radiologist is a medical doctor. Okay, look here. I am going to set Seba's goal. Similarly, you can prepare something. At the age of 18, you pass 12th standard. Means after 5 years.
Also 227.
In 227. Okay. Then MBBS is a 6-year program. You have to write NEET examination. What is the full form of NEET in India? NEET. Sabha, you know NEET full form?
No, sir.
National Entrance and Eligibility Test. Entrance and Eligibility Test. Studied by heart. National Entrance and Eligibility. National Entrance.
My brother writes that exam.
Entrance and Eligibility Test. NEET, National Entrance and Eligibility Test. How many years should we study to become an MBBS doctor?
Yes.
5 years.
Eh?
5
years.
No, 6 years. That is 5 years medical study, 1 year, 1 year called internship. It is called residency. 6 years. That is 18 plus 6 at the age of 24. 24, she becomes an MBBS doctor. Then go for a specialization plus 2 years. 26. Sometimes it go for 27. It all depends upon your time of admission, time of finishing of a course and all. At the age of 27, in which year? Which year? 2027 plus 8 years. That is
2034.
2030,
Between 2034.
35. At the age of 2035, she will be a specialized doctor with MD or MS. This is the way to set goals. And the question comes, what should I study after 10? All those who wants to become doctors should study physics, chemistry, biology stream after 10th standard. Then you should be very good in science and mathematics. Don't study mathematics in 11th and 12th. That is not required. There are 5 subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, then information technology or computer science, whatever the school offers.
Sir, it's important.
Then English. So then a skilled subject. There will be totally 6 subjects in 10th standard, whereas only 5 subjects in 12th standard. Out of 500 mark, you should score 500 or 490, 495, like that. Then go for NEET examination. You should be very good in MCQ, multiple choice questions, objective type multiple choice questions. In order to be so, you should be very good in knowledge. You read science textbooks clearly, everything related to science, like physics, chemistry, biology. Improve English. Improve general knowledge. Read 2 newspapers every day, and the other books, as I told you already, like Book of Knowledge.
So tell me why and yearbook.
Yearbook. And there is another book, Reader's Digest. You can ask your dad to get all these books. So examinations all over the world are very competitive. It is a test of knowledge, test of understanding, test of proficiency and language proficiency. Therefore, we should be smart in every area of study. That is the point. That is the way to set goal. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And we should be very studious in that. Don't keep on changing. Prepare all of you accordingly. And I want to hear it. After finishing, just read it to me.
Sir, I'm done.
Smriti, Aman, come on, what's your doubt?
No, sir, when that I completed.
Please, read.
Sir, in 2021, 7th standard and I'm 12 years old. In 2026, 12th standard and I'm 17 years old. By 2029, I'll be graduated and 20 years old. By 2031, post-graduation is over, 22 years old. And by 2036, I took a maximum of 5 years. PhD is over and I'll be 27 years old.
Okay, then look at the screen. I'm going to write some of the names of very famous colleges and universities in India where you can study. JNU, what is that? Jawaharlal Nehru University, where it is? Delhi.
Delhi.
Then Delhi University. Delhi University. Then St. Stephen's College. It is in Delhi. St. Stephen's College, Delhi. Delhi. Then St. Aloysius College. Aloysius College, Mangalore. Mangalore. Next is St. Xavier's College. St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. Bombay. Then St. Xavier's College, Calcutta. Then St. Joseph's College, Bangalore. These are some of the very famous colleges, outstanding colleges in India. You have to get admission into these colleges for your degree course or your master's program. All these colleges have cutoff mark like 99, 98 and all. These colleges have another speciality. They help you a lot in improving your personality, communication skills, and your confidence. Their personality development classes are so important. Okay? When you get time, you can go through these colleges through Google and all. There is no college in Kerala compared to these colleges. Not only that, I advise all of you to go outside Kerala when you do your studies, because when you study outside Kerala, improves your knowledge, your understanding, your personality, your outlook of life, everything. You cannot find strike in any university like that. That is a point. Okay? This is a very important point. Set it correctly. Goal setting. A child of your age at the age of 12, if you can set it correctly, you're going to be a teenager, maybe after a couple of months. Then what all things the society demand from us? Reading. I read few books on the screen, note it down. Reader's Digest. Ask your dad to get it. What is for this? It improves your knowledge and vocabulary. This is very good to improve your English. Book of knowledge. Book of knowledge. Book of knowledge. Then this Tell Me Why. This is locally available. Yearbook. Once in a year. Then newspaper. Read both English and Malayalam, because newspaper reading enhances your GK, general knowledge. Newspaper acts as window of the world. What is window of the world? You just open a window and see what happens outside the world. When you keep it open, it shows what, when, how, where happens. Newspapers acts as window of the world. Okay? I am very sure some of you do not have that habit of reading newspaper. Not only that, it accumulates your knowledge, your GK, you learn new words, new vocabulary. It improves your grammatical usage. And see the editorial also. Editorial means the chief news editor of that particular newspaper writes a column on what happens as very important around the world on that day. That is editorial. Editorial is like a Facebook of a newspaper. These are Very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Goal setting. Okay, that's very important. All of you should prepare it and show me on the next class. If there is mistake, I shall help you to correct it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Aldous, can you read? Aldous, just to read?
So my goals. So I will complete my school at the age of 18, 2027.
Very good.
Then I will complete. I will take degree for 3 years. That means 21, 2030.
Okay, fine.
Then then I.
Not clear. No, it's audio.
Sir, then there is 3 types of test. So the first one is
Perli. What is the first one? I'm going to write on the screen. Just see.
Preliminary test.
Yeah.
Then final test. The personality test. It takes an year.
More, maybe a little more than that.
Yes, sir. As you told, if it starts from October, it will end at next year, December.
This personality is very important. That comprises of how do you deal with a situation? How do you face a situation? What is your approach? Whether it is right or wrong, positive or negative? What are your understanding about current political matters? You should know everything around you. That's the point.
Yes, sir. I've seen some interviews in the YouTube.
Yeah. You should be a voracious reader. Read a lot. These 4 books which I have suggested would help you a lot. Continue.
So I have Tell Me Why.
Yeah, Tell Me Why is something good at your age. At the same time, yearbook. Then set your time also. You play 1 hour every day. 7 hours you sleep. And how much time can you study then? Okay, if you get up at 5 o'clock, you can read things. Maybe 2 hours in the morning. Read a lot. Reading is very important than mugging up things. Instead of by-hearting things, you read all entire textbooks.
Sir, actually at the age of 12, we should sleep for 9 hours.
No, 9 hours is fine. But you know, what is the Brahma Muhurtam? Brahma Muhurt, best time. This Saraswati starts to dance at the early morning, 4 o'clock. Suppose if you go to bed by 9 o'clock, if you can get up at 3 o'clock, suppose you've slept 6 hours, then the influence of the magnetic energy on the planet would be less. It is called the magnetic disturbance. Magnetic disturbance should be very less in the early morning, like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, till 6 o'clock. That means all birds, animals, reptiles, all TVs, radios, all stop their functioning. When things are on active move, maybe 12 o'clock in the middle of the day, that is magnetic disturbance should be at the top, at the high. So you cannot concentrate. That is why schools prepare easy timetable, easy lessons in between 12 to 2. And you study difficult subjects in the early morning. In the morning, not early morning, like first period, mathematics, science, economics. Those subjects need a lot of logical thinking. You study those things. Whereas social studies, history, political science, sociology, English, these subjects do not need any logical thinking. That is what you study during 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Again, You can study the other things. So 9 hours sleep is little much. Don't sleep that much. Go for 7 to 8 maximum. 7 to 8. And when I say if you go to bed by 10 o'clock, get up at 5. That is 7. 6, 8. Don't sleep more than 8 hours.
So
So
from
that-
previous, we can sleep up to 6 to 8 hours.
That is all. All. It is fine. 6 hours is very good. Very good. Okay. And prepare the one and show me when I come in the next class. Okay. Let us stop
Yes,
for
sir.
let us stop for the time being.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.